Welcome to the FilmSpark.ai custom actor tutorial. Today we are going to demonstrate the different ways you can create new custom actors for your story. In scripted projects, actors are automatically generated as part of the natural progression of creating the story. All of their details are fleshed out with information from the generated script. However, sometimes you may find you want to add additional actors to your cast of characters. We can do this in one of two ways. 1. Fill out the actor details and create a custom actor from scratch. 2. Upload a photo of anyone, including yourself or your friends. The first method is very straightforward. First, click here to create a new actor. Give your actor a name. You can enter it in either the top field or the name field. Now, simply fill out the various fields. There are several drop-downs with the most likely options, but you can also enter custom information here. You can enter background bio information in this field, but it will not affect the visuals. Enter your clothing preferences under Outfit Clothes, and any specific features you want to indicate in Key Features. Make sure you have the Auto Prompt box checked, and the details will automatically populate to the prompt for image generation. Generate your new image. The second method is to upload your own image. Start by switching to the Create from Photo tab. When you scroll down, you can see you have the option to upload an image of yourself, a friend, or any actor you want directly into your story. Now we just need to upload our reference image. You can either drag the photo in from your computer or click the field to upload an image. You can keep the clothing from the photo by clicking this button, or manually specify the desired clothing, either by entering the information into the Outfits/Clothes field or adding an image reference. Generate your new image. When you generate, you are given the option to update the actor details. This will replace the current information with details that match the image you are uploading. Click Yes, Update Details. Be sure to give your new actor a name at this point. If you want to make adjustments to the character, enter Edit Mode by clicking here underneath the generated image. Enter the changes you want to see in the prompt and click Generate. Once again, you are given the option to update the actor details. This is important to keep the description matching the image. Now that you have your front view exactly the way you want it, you can now create turnaround views of the side profiles, back, and other views. Click on the Turnaround icon tab. You have the option to specify which turnarounds you want to generate. You can also specify how many of each view you want. Let's set this to 1. When you generate, it takes a few seconds and then your view is shifted back to the main assets view, where all your actor views are generated in order after the existing actor. You can also crop in for a close-up view of your actor. Start by duplicating the front view of the actor by clicking this button on the upper left corner. You can also duplicate from within the actor by clicking here. Enter Edit Mode. Make sure you have selected Nano Banana 2 as your image edit model and set your resolution to 4K. Then enter the prompt, close-up shot of face, cinematic 4K, enhance image, keep same background, and generate. The option to update details will pop up again. This time we want to click No, Just Edit, as we are not actually changing anything. The result will be a clean, clear view of the close-up. This helps the AI with greater accuracy in capturing the likeness. All of these new views can help inform the Copilot about details that may not be obvious from the front view alone. Of course, since these actors are not part of the original script, you will need to manually add them to any shots you want them included within the storyboard. The process for this is still very simple. Just identify them by name when you create a new shot description, and FilmSpark will automatically add them to the shot details and image prompt. Here is where you can include other views of an actor in order to ensure the proper likeness is captured from the desired view in the image. And just like that, you have a complete cast of characters for your story, ready for any shot at any camera angle. Thanks for watching. FilmSpark.ai, your complete AI production console. Stop generating, start directing. Sign up today for free credits.